Here's a room tour of 8586. And if you're cruising, you can use your Disney bands to unlock the door. So here's inside the room. When you first walk in, you have these nice closets with a safe, plenty of storage, plenty of hangers. You have another one, again, a little bit longer for your dresses and such. You have split bathrooms, so your first one is just a vanity and a toilet. The details of the bathroom is fantastic. This is great for families. It's got a nice mirror. And here's the tub, perfect for little ones. Place for you to sit to shave your legs. You have shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Got the clothesline to hang up your wet bathing suits. Makeup rag. Look at the soap, Disney soap. Yep. Quite a bit of storage in the bathroom too. So here's the bed. Again, the detail. Look, Mickey ears. Look, Walt Disney World, Disneyland, all the cruise ships. I'm sure if you turn it, you'll see like Disney World in Paris, Disneyland in Paris. So here is a living room area type. This is a family veranda, so it sleeps up to 5 people, and I'll show you that. Look at all the storage space that you have here. You got 6 drawers. You got your cooler. Look at that cabinet there. Big cabinet on the other side. Cabinet there. And then here is our balcony. Wow. If I can open it. I say no little one's gonna escape. So here is where the beds are. So this is a Murphy bed, flips down. The couch flips this way, and then you have a bed that comes from the ceiling. So at night, if you have 3 kids with you at night, they come and put down the beds, and then during the daytime they put them back up so your room stays nice and organized. So that's where the 3 beds for kiddos are. Thank you for watching our quick room tour of 8586 on the Disney Dream. If you're new to our channel, welcome. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, click the link above. And remember to like, hit the notification bell, and comment.